Folks, welcome back to the workbench here. We have a product from Baker's Signature. This is a 5-piece premium stainless steel mixing bowl set. And this has got some nice little cool features that come with it. Thank you to Baker's Signature for sending this to me. I do appreciate it. Of course, my opinions are always my own. In this video, we are going to kind of go through the features real quick, and we'll also roll in some action footage of these in use. So you can kind of see how they work in the real world. What I like with this set is you've got 5 different bowls that come with it, and it gives you a lot of options. So if you're just making something small, like here where you just need to mix up a sauce or something like that, this is perfect for that. I don't even think I have a small mixing bowl, so this is going to come in real handy. The other thing I really like about these, and this has always been frustrating for me in the past whenever I've used stainless steel mixing bowls before, is a lot of times they'll just have a steel bottom and they're very slippy. And the thing is with these is they kind of have a silicone bottom here, so that way whenever you put them down here on the countertop or whatever it might be, like right now I'm kind of pushing on it or pushing against it and it's not really moving. You know, and like I said, I've done a lot of mixing up stuff before where that bowl is slipping and stuff. And with these bottoms here, it really helps quite a bit because they just kind of, you know, have tons of grip. I mean, you have to basically, forcibly kind of, you know, force it to go. You really have to put a lot of force into it. So it kind of just stays right there, all nice and flat. So that is perfect. So then also too, we've got different sizes here. We start working our way up here. Looks like this one will hold about 1 liter or so from the markings on it. And then we have one here, 2.5 liters there. So we're starting to get, you know, a bit bigger. This is kind of getting more into the medium size here. Then we have a 3.5 liter one, 3.5 quart one too. Pretty close, quarts and liters. And this, I'd say, you know, pretty much a good medium-sized mixing bowl. You know, you could mix up a batch of biscuits, whatever, in that size bowl. And then we have a much larger one here. This is the biggest one. This one here is a 5-quart, around 5-liter bowl. So yeah, pretty sizable. I mean, that'll pretty much cover just about anything out there that you're making, unless you're doing a double batch or something or whatever. Maybe even then it'll still work just fine. So yeah. Now the next thing that's cool with this set is we've got some lids. So that is super helpful. So if you make something up and you just want to put it into the fridge, you know, this is great because you can just go ahead and seal that top right there. So that's very nice to have with that. And then also this one right here, this has the option of, that comes with a little lid here. So there's an opening in this one to seal that up. But then also too, there is the option here for grating as well. So I think it seats like that. Yep. And pretty much seats down in there up against that lid. So you can do some grating and stuff. So we're going to try that out and see how that works. I've got for this one recipe I'm doing right now. I need to do some cheese grating for that. So yeah, you just press it down in there, it looks like, and it just fits right in there, all nice and tight. And then there's a little thumb tab here you can use to kind of lift it and pop it back out again when you're done. So we'll definitely give that a go here in the video and see how that works out. There's also another size here as well for grating too. And here, folks, we're trying out the cheese grater here. Super simple to use. And yeah, with the silicone bottom there, makes it very easy to do. And then of course the cool thing is that everything is caught here right in the bowl. Perfectly grated cheese. So in the end, folks, this 5-bowl stainless steel set is awesome. Bunch of different sizes. You got your tops and your lids that go with it as well. And then also too, a couple of these graters as well. So if you need to do some grating, just makes life easy whenever it comes to that. So anyways, folks, definitely check this set out, and we'll see y'all next time.